Mark the Mentor here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make extra money with your box truck staging furniture, how you can earn extra revenue with your box truck or box trucks staging furniture. Now, this is a way that I've been able to create extra revenue for my moving company during slow seasons, because this is something that we are reached out to throughout the year to do with different clients that I have staging furniture, whether it's with an interior designer or with multiple real estate brokers. It provides an extra stream of revenue for my trucks. So the way it works is, it works a couple different ways depending on what industry you're dealing with. So if you're dealing with the realtors and the real estate industry, if there's a realtor that has, let's say like a high powered realtor that sells a lot of homes, what they do is they'll stage condos or they'll stage homes to help sell them faster. Now, usually when you're dealing with a real estate broker and they're staging homes, real estate is their business, not the staging part. The staging part is just a bonus to sell the home, all right, quicker. So 90% of the time, most of the furniture that the real estate broker is staging the home with, they keep it in storage, a storage locker at one of these storage facilities, right? And what they'll do is they'll hire a moving company or someone that they know with a truck to go pick this stuff up when it's time to stage a new listing that's going on the market. And then once that listing sells, they'll hire that individual or that moving company to go pick the stuff back up and take it to storage. All right. So the reason why this is good and why you should network if you have a truck with real estate brokers is because, especially if it's a high powered broker that's selling a lot of units, a lot of condos or a lot of homes, is because they're going to always be reaching out to you. They're going to always be reaching out to you. Okay, so like the main one that I have, they have multiple storage lockers with furniture, and they reach out to us to stage. We charge by the hour. It's usually 2 to 3 guys, and then we charge them a truck fee. We charge them like a typical move. Now, the beauty about staging condos or houses for real estate brokers, the furniture that they buy to stage these places is relatively light. It's not really extensive. It's just an aesthetic. So when people come in for viewings of these condos and these homes, it just gives them a homely feel when they're looking to spend their money. It makes it more appealing to the potential buyer. And I guess it helps sell the condo or the home quicker. They're not spending a lot of money on this furniture, so it's not really like heavy, sturdy wood furniture. It's light furniture, maybe from IKEA. It's nothing really major, so it's not really taxing and back-breaking work, but there is a lot of earning potential in it, and it's a good contract to have, like I said, to make extra money. Whether you have a moving company or you just have a truck and you're just looking for ways to build your gig business and make extra revenue with your box truck. Now, on the flip coin, if you work with an interior designer, you kind of want to network with them too, because they deal with a lot of high-powered clients, or well-to-do clients, I should say. And these people just have the money, but just don't have the time to do like their own shopping for furniture and things of that nature. So they hire an interior designer. Usually these interior designers are freelance, and then they'll just go out and they'll do all the shopping to design homes and furnish homes for people, celebrities, people with a lot of money. And then they'll hire a company or a person with a truck to go pick this stuff up and drop it off and come in and do the staging. They're good to work with because they're charging the client, and usually the client, obviously is a person that has money, or sometimes celebrities, and they spare no cost. They're paying this person to do all the shopping for them, and then they're trusting this person's mind as far as designing their home. So usually whatever I charge them, they just so okay because they're passing that along to the client anyway. So we charge them by the hour. We usually send 2 to 3 guys, and then we charge them a truck fee. And you're going to the warehouse, you're picking up the furniture, you're coming in, you're unpackaging it, you're staging it. You're spending time, and then you can charge them for the trash removal too, because obviously they're not going to leave all that trash there for the client. So then you can charge them a haul away for that, take it to the dump, charge them the dump fee, what the dump charges you, pass that along, and then charge them a fee for providing that service. So, the earning potential there is endless. As far as celebrity clients, when you're doing this type of work, staging, or you're working for an interior designer with your box truck, you're going to come across a lot of celebrity clients, because usually these are the type of people that hire interior designers. Just a quick story I can tell you about the earning potential. I worked with this company, this interior designer reached out to my company many years ago, and we've been working with her ever since. And she called and said, hey, she has a lot of high-powered clients, but this is back when Jamal Crawford, she's from Chicago here. Her company's based here. So when Jamal Crawford was playing for the Bulls back in the day, obviously she was doing a lot of things for Jamal Crawford's wife around the home, and they kept in contact. So even when he got traded out to LA, she was still doing all the interior designing out there in LA for him. And then when he got traded to from the Clippers to Minnesota, they hired her again. So when she hired us to do the Minnesota interior design job, she decorated the home from top to bottom. So she ordered everything from Coaster. There's a Coaster warehouse here in Des Plaines, Illinois, right outside of Chicago. She hired us, so I had to send a 26-footer up to Des Plaines, and she ordered everything. So the truck was packed from front to back, top to bottom, of all new furniture, flat packed. And then we had to transfer all that stuff up to Minnesota. It was a 2-day job. So we sent the crew up there, and actually I had to go up there and oversee it. When she told me who it was, I wanted to make sure it went smoothly. So we went up to Minnesota, and then we spent the day, just unloading the truck, bringing everything in. Some of the stuff needed assembly. So it took a day just to unload that stuff, stage the house. It was like it wasn't what you think for an NBA player. I don't think he expected to be there after years, so it was a very modest home, but it was still nice. But we spent the day staging everything, right? And then obviously the next day back. So I charged this for the hotel, the travel, the day that I had to send the truck to Des Plaines to pick the stuff up. I had to pay the per diem for the guys because these are movers, so they're hourly. The travel back, the flight. I think I sent one of the guys back on a flight. I can't remember. But yeah, so all this was charged to the interior design company, and then obviously she passed those charges along. And for 2 days worth of work, I think I charged her, I have to go back and look, it was an upwards of $8-9 grand. So that was good revenue for a 2-day project just to pick up some furniture that was flat packed, take it 8 hours away, spend the day there unloading the stuff, unboxing the stuff, and setting it where it needs to go, and screwing a few screws here and there. So the earning potential is really good. It's not hard work. It is a little lifting, but if you got a truck sitting around, or you have days where your truck isn't going to move, it's good to network with real estate brokers and interior designers. And they keep your card. These guys don't, they don't have trucks. Some interior design companies, like the big corporate companies, obviously they do, but you have a lot of really successful interior designers and really successful real estate brokers that just have this stuff in storage, or like for the interior designers, they purchase this stuff and they need a good moving company, or a good moving crew, or a good gig worker who has a truck that they can rely and depend on when they call them. So this is just another little side hustle thing to make money with your box truck. Till next time.
story condo B&B. 4 bath, 1 me, no key like I did a